Welcome to Miva 10. We're really excited to be welcoming you to the introduction of the new Miva update, Miva 10. We're going to have a series of short videos that will walk you through the new user interface of the Miva admin. We've designed this specifically for store owners to make sure you can familiarize yourself with the new layout and some of the new features as quickly as possible. Be sure to see the rest of the videos as well to help reduce the learning curve while you get used to the look and feel of your new Miva. Immediately upon logging in, you'll notice some big changes to the home screen. The Miva 10 update has been developed with the store owner in mind, laying things out in a way that should help you complete your day-to-day tasks a little bit easier. Right away, you'll see that the original layout from Miva 9 of icons in the center space is gone. You still have the Miva promotional header, but below that, where you used to have your icons for order processing, catalog, marketing, settings, etc., you have a much smaller menu. Miva is now providing a section here called Jump Back In, which is essentially a recently used menu or a history. It will rearrange and remember what you were using last to give you fast access back into your most used sections. Clicking any one of these will work like a shortcut and launch you back into that section. Below that, you'll find your 8 most recent customer orders. This will be especially useful for your customer service agents that need to quickly locate and edit orders that were just placed. It will show some order details like the customer name, time, date, and order total. Further down the page, you'll find your reports. This section can be customized based on your preferences. The top navigation bar has mostly stayed the same, with one big exception. As with Miva 9, you have your menu button, your search bar, a history tab where you can review the most recent changes in your admin, and the bookmarks. The new addition to the top navigation bar is the View button. Instead of having a View Store option on your home screen, you can now click this eye icon anywhere in the Miva admin. The great new feature to the View option is that it's contextual, meaning it'll show you your store depending on where you are in Miva. If you're editing your About Us page content in the admin and click the icon, you'll be taken directly to the About Us page on your live site. If you're editing a product and click the icon, you'll be taken to that product page. The side navigation is where many of the changes have happened in the Miva admin interface. Instead of the drop-down menu from Miva 9, you have a permanent side navigation. You can collapse it if you'd like by clicking the menu icon in the top nav bar. But this is now your main navigation, as opposed to the icon layout in the center of the screen from Miva 9. The side navigation is segregated into 3 sections. The top is the store owner section. This is where you'll find the items that you'll be using on a day-to-day basis while running your site. Below that will be the developer section. Typically, these items will be used mostly by your developer and maybe some of the more tech-savvy store owners who care to venture into that technical territory. Finally, you'll have the setting menu, which acts as kind of a catch-all for anything that doesn't exactly fit into the other 2 sections. You can see items like domain and store settings, URI and data management, etc. You'll have some use for these, but it won't be on a regular basis. For example, once in a while you'll need to get into your user management settings when you hire or part with employees, but your use here will generally be few and far between. That wraps up what's new with the home screen. Make sure you take a look at the rest of the Miva 10 videos and blog posts for more.